Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install games from Xbox Game Pass on your PC. And to do this, you'll need to obviously have the Xbox Game Pass subscription. Then open a Start and find Xbox app. If you don't have it, you might need to launch your Microsoft Store and find it here. So in the search, enter Xbox again and download this app. When it's ready, click on the open. Here you will find a Game Pass tab. Then you can scroll down and see all of the games. You can also find games manually right here. So for example, let's find Dark Tide. Here it is. We can click on it and then install it. When it's ready, you should be able to play this game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.